Okay, good evening everyone. We've been discussing, and today we'll be looking at fast as much as possible on triple products, and the triple product of vectors can be in two form. It can be in scalar triple product or vector triple product. It can be in two forms: scalar triple product or vector triple product. Like I was saying, we've been discussing on just these two. We've been discussing on some forms before. Now, going through triple products now, we'll be discussing on these two forms, scalar triple product and vector triple product. So to make it fast now, whenever you are given a question and you ask to find or to check if the vectors are coplanar vectors, so you make use of scalar triple products. You make use of scalar triple products. And scalar triple product, you make use of scalar triple, and the scalar triple product is in this form: a dot b times c. Your vector arrow, your vector arrow, your vector arrow. So it is solved in this form: a times b, a dot open bracket b times c. Do we get that now? Then when you're asked to solve, and it is also used to check the volume of a parallelopipe. I mean parallelopipe. So the volume, just take notes, volume of a parallelopipe. And we know volume is what? Length times breadth times what? Times height. Or it can also be in L raised to the power 3. So now let's go on. Now when we are now moving to vector triple product, vector triple product is actually used to check determinants of vectors, just determinants, and this is used using the principle of matrix. Like I said the other time, we'll be doing now. First method is the vector principle, and the second method is the matrix principle. Now let's now go to the first question. Now our first question here, I've given the question before in the last class, so you can also check the last class for those questions. The first question here says, this is the vector, this is the second vector, this is the third vector. And say find the volume of the parallelopipe as given, as all these are given. So we want to find the volume of the parallelopipe, meaning that the formula we'll be making use of is A dot B cross C. So very simple. This is just what we need to do. Just go to your calculator, just from the methods we've been using to solve earlier. Just from the methods we've been using to solve earlier. Just go to your calculator. Just come here. Change it to, still on vector. Just change it to vector mode 8. Then input your givens. What are your givens? Those are things you need to know. Your givens: A is what? 3 dimension. Then A is 2, 3 minus 1. Minus K means minus 1. And will be those stuff that I'll be omitting here. You just need to go to the previous episode. Then you press shift 5 2 2 1. Yes, then you go to the next one, which is 1 minus 2 2. Then shift 5 2. The third one, that's C, that's 3 minus 2 minus 1. So that's just it. First thing is to input your values. So you just know how to input your values, then you press equals to. In the last one, then you press AC. Now what we want to do is to press this now. That's just what you want to do. Then you just press shift 5 A, that's shift 5 3. So this is what we are pressing. So A dot, after pressing your A, then you press dot. How do you get the dot? Shift 5 7. Can you see? Then if you like, you open your brackets, but it's advisable you open the bracket. Then press shift 5 b vector b, this, that's 4. Then you now press cross, which is times, shift 5, then c 5, then you close the bracket. Then that's all. You've input your questions, and your questions you've already saved the variables or the values online. Then you just press equals to, so you have the answer to be 29. So the answer for this is 29. This also can be done using matrix. You can solve this using matrix as well. You can solve this using matrix, the meaning that you'll be looking for the determinant of everything as one vector. Are we getting to? You'll be using everything as one vector. That's when you are doing a vector triple product. Now, how do we do vector triple product? I'll use this one as an example so that when you have other questions, you can drop on the comments box. How do we do vector triple product? This is vector triple product. Vector triple product uses the principle of matrix. Like I said, you just change your mode, calculator mode, to matrix mode 6. Then now you are using all these variables as, so like I said, I'll use this to solve for matrix. Now I said everything will be used as one given vector, which would be, I can say everything here is A now, or I say everything here is B, or I say everything here is C. Now this is it. I'm going to pick one. That's A1. Then here it is 3 against 3, meaning that 3 here, 3 here. That's 3 dimension against 3 variables. Now this is just it. 3 against 3, that will be 1. Then you press 1. So can you see now? So everything here is A. Everything here is A. Just A. Now on each variable, now we'll now start inserting. This is, the first one is 2. You press equals to, can you see? You press 3, press equals to, minus 1, press equals to. So all you just need to do now, like I was saying, all you just need to do, just input everything, everything on I, everything on J, everything on K. That's just it. 1, minus 2, 2. Just keep on pressing the equals to as you are inputting it to be going to the next dimension, then K, which is minus 1. So that's just what you need to do. So when you are done inputting everything, then you press AC. Now this is what we want to do. What we want to do is determinant det mat A, matrix of A. That's what we just want to do. Determinant matrix A. So because we are looking for the determinant of everything, don't forget. So what you just do, you press shift 4, then you press 7, then you press shift 4 again, then you press 3, which is A, then you close the bracket, then you press equals to. Can you see? We have our answer as 29. Same thing as what we got when we did the other one, 29. So same thing as what we got here, or as well when we use the scalar triple product method. So for this vector triple product, the method is just A times, or A cross B cross C. Then this one is vector triple product. Then for scalar triple product is A dot B cross C. That's just it. So the difference here is just here and here. Then this is to denote a coplanar force, a coplanar vector, and then majorly used when we are looking for volume of a parallelopipe. So but here is to find is to look for a determinant of a vector. So that's just it. So do well to subscribe, like, share, and in the next episode we'll be treating questions that are being dropped. So in the next episode we'll be talking about the questions and other form of questions that are being dropped on the comment box, so that we'll have a very sound knowledge and sound background on vectors using calculator method. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thank you.